Hello friends, I am Arko and today I am going to show you my another project special spoon for Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease patients are those patients whose hands trembles and even can't keep balance of the object they're holding. That's why they feel difficulty while eating. In this video, I am going to show you a gadget that stabilizes the trembles and prevents food from falling from the spoon while eating. So let's start the video. To make this project, we need a sensor called accelerometer sensor which can sense both x-axis and y-axis. But in this project, we are using the accelerometer sensor inbuilt in our phone, and for that we have designed a custom Android app that senses the x-axis and the y-axis and sends those data into the Bluetooth. We are trying to publish this app as soon as possible in the Play Store. So now let's see the demonstration. Okay, so now let's check the results. So here, as you can see, when my hands move up, then the spoon automatically adjusts itself, and in the spoon I have kept here a stick which is to show you how the spoon is actually balancing the food. And here you can see it again, how it balances. Here again. As you can see in this video that the system is actually balancing the food in both x-axis and also in y-axis. As you can see, when our hands move up, then the spoon auto gets down, and same happens in reverse. And also if our hands clicks in say in each direction, then it automatically switches to west, and thus it prevents the food from falling. I hope you like our project, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to like our Facebook page Robi Jyotishan, where we are going to send updates of our new videos. So see you in the next one.